Hello, welcome to Cross Hills Gardens Nursery. My name's Scott Wilson. I'm down here in Bolton where we grow our rhodos in the open ground. This is a small selection of the bigger, more advanced specimens we call them. So these are anywhere from 5 to 10 years old. This one here is about a 10-year-old. So is this one here, just a lower growing one. So these are well established, ideal for filling big gaps in your garden or just making a feature plant. We've got all different colours. A lot of them we have, or all of them we basically have on our website, and that's under the Advanced Specimen tab, which is crosshills.co.nz. So if you want, we can take a photo of these and send them to you so you see which plant you're getting. And then we can either freight them to you or you can come and pick them up from our plant centre in Bolton at Cross Hills Gardens. And yeah, we can freight them out, whatever size, doesn't matter.